Ladies and gentlemen, here I have a 2006 Pontiac G6. It had a no start problem. I could not get it to start for the life of me. I heard people say problems, several different problems. I had a good battery. I replaced the starter because I thought it was a starter. Still no problem, or it still wouldn't start. Got the regular click like the alternator was bad. Turns out there was a starter kill switch. I was like, okay, so I started investigating into that. And then I read a little bit that it might be the whole fuse box. But what I come to find out is under here, right here, you got this little thing. It's a tracker. And, well, I guess some of them are bad in the factory. I took this thing out and this thing out, and it just started right up. This one right here, come from this side right here. I grabbed it from right there. It's like right back here, and the wirings ran up here and into the back of your ignition. There'll be two bare wires. You just reconnect them. It's pretty simple if you look up into it further, but for no start problem, it's a good problem to try. This thing right here. And just to prove to you guys, I will start my car. My car was not running for 2 weeks. My family in the cold. Walking in the cold. Taking my son to school in the cold. Only car we have. I needed it. And there it is, boys. It was this all along. I probably didn't even need a new starter, guys. Take a look into these. They're bad.